Hey, greetings from Myanmar. So this week we had a chance to talk a lot about our solution in more details, and we're looking at opening an institution to help the students find the right path during their transition period. So we discussed about the curriculum, which still need to be developed further, and marketing strategies, how we're going to test our business model and the customer lifetime value and so on. So this week, um, we discussed on whether we should do a pilot program and how we're going to do it in both countries, and we kind of drafted like marketing strategy for phase one and phase two. And as for the pilot program, we agreed that we are going to focus on grade 11 and 12 or fresh high school graduate. Since now in Myanmar we have high school graduates, but we still need to discuss a lot more tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to that.
So for this week, we actually exploring the possibility of opening an institution by actually providing four specific services. One is the placement test. We actually identify the student strengths and weaknesses in order to place them in the correct majors to avoid the skill mismatch that we actually think in the beginning. Second, we also provide consultation service, which create the user experience from beginning to end, where they are guided throughout the whole process, with the addition of provide skill course and introductory course along the way as well. Additionally, we actually look at university instead of this. We try to look at it as a partnership perspective, where we can actually do conducting recruitment services instead of just playing as a stakeholders. So they will directly work with us in order to draft and finalize the selection of student that will transition into university life. Well, within this week, there's a lot of up and down. There's a lot of things that we have to do as well. But one of the things that I learned the most is through marketing services that we actually start to plan. That who knows the marketing strategy and branding strategy, the user story and user experience, all that are important elements to the projects. We're going to look into the marketing strategy by tonight, and there will be a lot of more to actually think about. So, with that in mind, looking forward to next week.
Hi guys, so for this week we've actually spent a lot of time talking about our solution in detail, and there's a lot of things that we have to discuss and agreed on, including identifying our stakeholders, competitors, and key partners, and also who are going to be the teachers, how we going to get them, what will be our teaching curriculum, and also how we going to earn money. So there's actually a lot of things that we need to discuss in detail. And just like Pinder mentioned earlier, for this week we actually spend also a lot of time uh, talking about marketing, and we actually learn a lot about different types and different elements of marketing from our impact partners, which we find very useful and helpful for us in identifying how are we going to get our idea into the market. And I also would like to add on the on you guys feedback on our second submission. They're very good feedbacks, and especially there are like some good questions from you guys to us that we haven't really thought of or haven't paid much attention to, and we'll definitely take that in mind. So thank you.